Oh guys, we're going to have a game. It's called Give Tito Money. Tito Money.
No, I'm not giving
Oh
my
wait,
1,000
stay
for
there. Okay guys.
concert 50.
That game is just the same with
I
this.
know.
Ayan yun.
Sweet.
Ayan na. Yan na lang.
Okay.
Hindi. Kasi ang hirap nun.
Hirap talaga.
Ito na lang.
Ah sige, yan na lang daw.
Oh, amin na to.
Bibenta ko to boy. Pwede namin. Meron silang improvise. Since sila may ganun si Chiri.
Next ito ah.
Let's play my...
Okay, you're going to guess where did I put the colored bottles here.
Let's show it.
You're just going to put it on the top, like cherry, beanie on top. I mean, for example, Tito Jun, you got it correct. You're going to get a coin. It's worth 30 pesos. Okay? It's 30 pesos, okay? Okay, game, guys. Are you ready? Hindi kasama ang isip bata. Amerikano. Hindi kasama ang tanda. Okay. Alam, tatago ako. Dilim pala dito. Wrong. Next. Raya. Yeah!
One more.
One more. Ano na? Wrong.
Yan na talaga si ma'am.
Ay, gag!
Ano ba yan, ha?
Ano ba nawalaan ni Luna? Doon o, maumbok pala yun. Game, 3, 2, 1, sino next?
Eh, si Luna.
Wrong, next. Yeah!
Ano kayo? One more.
One more, Luna, one more.
Yuppie.
Ang galing ni Luna.
Wrong.
On. Pag pina-flashlight mo para nakikita yata yung ano.
Yeah.
Bakit? Naka-60 ka na.
Oh? Wrong. Isa pa nga.
Isa pa daw.
Hindi.
60 ka na, girl.
Ganito na lang. Wrong. You have to learn from it that you don't need to give up.
Wow!
Kita ba? Para nakikita niya.
Nakikita. Yan, patay mo yung flashlight.
Ang malinaw mata nila, kote.
Sabi ako na eh. Flashlight eh. Si Rafi naman.
Wrong. Three, 2, correct.
Oh! Girly, good job.
It's just first time, do not just
Yeah.
One more color. Wrong. Correct.
Anak mo itong pangakas naman.
Kayo.
Shut down.
Oh, next. Wrong. Next. It's Raya. It's okay. Next. Wrong. Renka didn't win also.
Mami ay Raya.
Raya, come on, more, please. Wait lang. Si Raya.
Raya muna.
Raya.
Raya.
Raya, last one. Raya. What color? Blue? Blue? Are you sure? Correct! See? One more. Okay, good. Wrong. It's okay. See? One more time, okay? Kami pa kay Rain. Correct! Dalawa na lang. Only two left. Pink and light blue. Wrong! Wrong!
Oh, Sammy.
Oh, Sammy's turn. Wait lang.
Bago mo na yun.
Correct! Oh, last one. Correct! Oh, we're done.
Dad, yung 60 kay Sammy.
Tawa. Let's
Dali niya kayo sa pang ito.
Sige.
Patay kayo dito.
Going to start the game in 3. What a game! Guys, nag-start tayo sa oldest. Now we're going to start in the cutest. Sorry.
Focus. Yeah. Focus.
2. 3 sticks for Renka. Next.
Whoa.
First kill.
Whoa.
Second kill. First kill.
Whoa.
Second kill.
Sakto to, ah.
Third kill.
Sandali.
Praktisado. Talatang may-ari ay.
Oh!
Ay, yung sugat.
Sayang! Sayang na!
Ayan.
Oh, sayang!
Last one.
It's okay. Good job. Unang baksak sa pool sa muka ay introvert. Sakot sa muka. Yun ang gusto ko. Tatlo lang ulit. I mean,
May glue yata sa kamay yan.
expert boy.
Go!
Nice. Tumagos ah.
Go!
Oops. Nice.
Go!
It's okay.
Sayang!
Uy.
Focus mo.
Sayang! Sayang! Sayang!
Last one.
You get it perfect. It's Ralphie. Next is Rengal. Okay, we're going to give the reward now. Okay, so tayo guys. Doon na ako, toy, oh.
Sammy.
Wrinkle, gift. Dito ng plate. Thank you. iPhone 12 17. Ay,
Mama! Wala yung yellow. Raya! Nico, where's my brother?
give it to your brother, Ryan. Ay, pala si Nico.
Rhea and Raymond.
President.
Tapos ito guys, tayo, Lolo.
Eh,
Galing kay Lolo.
galing kay Wowo.
Kay Bobo.
Okay, kay Wowo, galing kay Wowo.
Nico.
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 Nico,
Raya.
from Wowo.
Lance, from Mama. Rain.
Rain.
Rain. To play.
Angon.
Sabi from Bobo.
Yung kay Angel, tsaka kay Malky, ibigay na sa amin. So, thank you. Kahapon, 24 na receive na namin.
Ito yung kila Ferrer, bigay ni Tita Angel. Ito po kay Kuya Dre. Ito po kay Ate Rami. Nakita niya dito, Matthew. Tapos ito, for Rami, for Sunny, Raya, and Rain.
Rain, more gift.
Thank you.
Ito, Luna.
Oh, Luna. Yeah.
Tapos ito, Alin siya rin, and Magay ko. Alam ko na sa akin. Pero pa siya, Kuya Ton and Ate Rosel. So, Ate Rosel, thank you. Ay, Trace yan.
Okay yun sa
Sa
amin,
paggawa.
sa Team Buen Consejo, for me. Sorry. Unahin natin sa, kaya na, Dre. Check mo kung blue or yellow. Check ito. Alan. Kay Bibi Nico. Kay Rafi. iPhone 18. Uy, Rhea, sabi. For Raya. For kay Rhea and Raymond. Tito Raymond.
Sa'yo na.
Check ito. To Sisi. Kay Jar. Malaki lang yan, pero baksa nga. Sami. Wrinkle. And kay Mama, okay na kay Mama. Bigyan ko na. Kay Junjun.
Okay, guys, okay na.
What no? Yung paago pa. Oh, get the money. Paagaw si Steward. Umiyak, binigyan ng 1,000 ni kay JR. Oh, 2,000 pa. Regalo ko kay Rosel. Sa regalo niya sa akin, ito ang ganda. Sa regalo niya sa akin. Huawei Watch Fit 4. Yay! Diyan nasasakay yung trolley para sa mga bata. Para pag maggagala kami, nakasakay lang yung tatlo. Kasi yan.
Hindi kaya ba?
240 kilos.
Kahit pabukas ng gate.
Yo!